Hi, Anna Elena. Thanks a lot for your video, and I have a video for your video. Um, the first thing, actually, it's thank you for reminding me for this update. The 100,000 tons is only for one HS code for this one. So I entered here. Government issued another decree on ITQ for only live woven animals classified under tariff subheading. So okay, I think I fixed this error. And when you're updating a state act, for example, writing another sentence later, do you write here something like update, or you just continue to the paragraph, or write a sentence here and write in the explanations? This is one question. And another point actually about this termination date, I understand your point, the removal date. You're telling me that I should write here 2009 June, the introduction of this this state act will be the termination date of this. I understand it. But there's one point actually I also asked to Jose. The in-quota tariff rates are different with this state act from this state act. You know, here it is, for example, here it's 10%, here this is 0%. So it's not exactly a continuation. For example, in 2010, later 2010, these amounts enters Turkey with by paying 10% tariff rates, but here it pays nothing. So I'm not quite sure about this, but you can comment on this as well. I have one more question. This is about the prior and new levels. Let's ignore these different in-quota tariff rates for a second. For example, for here, our prior level for this tariff line, our prior level is 0%, and the new level is 16%. Here, when we come to here, our prior level is 16%, right? And the new level is 100,000 tons, so it is 116,000 tons. And with this state act, actually, at this date, this 16,000 is expired. But here with this state act, actually, this 100,000 tons is extended until the end of year 2011. So our prior level here is 116,000 tons, and the new level is 100,000 tons, right, until 2011. However, here actually we are talking only about one state act. So I can write only one of these here. For example, okay, for both of them. So prior level is 16,000 tons. It is, I think, clear. But the new level at the end of here, 16 tons is expired. So it is 100,000 tons. What do you say? Is this? Do you think this is correct? Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.